With over 70 million dog owners in the US alone, the all-new Leashpro lock will make your life easier. It's a remote-controlled lock and release for your animal's leash. Simply fasten the lock to your existing collar and leash. Leashpro is a digital device that provides temporary restraint for and gives you the convenience to release your animal remotely. Whether your dog is jumping on you when dressed for an important meeting or is running out of the gate or garage, now you can prevent your pet from running away or dashing into the street. The Leashpro lock is your solution. The beauty of Leashpro lock is that it allows you to remotely disconnect your pet from its leash by using the latest wireless connection smart technology. The LED light and audible tone confirms release. And it works with most universal leashes and collars. Now your beloved pet can be freed remotely and safely. It's water resistant and comes in fun, innovative colors. Get your Leashpro lock today.